Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing obvious vibration sources. Act now. First, enable Do Not Disturb or a focus on your iPhone and watch so notifications stop immediately. Then open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to My Watch, choose Sounds and Haptics, and reduce haptic strength or toggle off haptic alerts. You're doing this to isolate whether software settings cause the buzz. Once done, make sure stray notifications are silenced and observe whether the watch still vibrates. Now you dig deeper to find the persistent source. Audit notification settings per app in the Watch app, disable alerts for any app that still causes haptics. Enable silent mode on the watch to stop sound and often reduce perceived vibration. Cover the digital crown and feel for haptic feedback to test hardware. Restart both devices. Make sure Watch OS is updated because firmware can change vibration behavior. If an app update or notification rule was the culprit, this process will reveal it. Finish by verifying hardware and restoring defaults. If vibration persists after software fixes, unpair and repair your Apple Watch from the iPhone. This reinstalls Watch OS and often clears stubborn settings while keeping backups. If the motor still vibrates unexpectedly, contact Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar visit because the Taptic engine may be failing. Troubleshooting tip. Test the watch with a fresh face and no third-party apps. If the buzz stops, add apps back one or time to find the offender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.